They evolved, so did we. InterceptX, stay ahead. Every move, every step is red. Lay it strong, nothing blind. Code and instinct intertwined. Stay alert, stay secure. No illusion, only the cure. Human mind, machine defense. That's the line of consequence. They don't knock, they slip inside through trust, through links, through human pride. A single click, a hidden gate, that's how attackers infiltrate. No face, no trace, no warning sign, just silent code between the lines. Your data moves, your system bends until the damage never ends. But now you see it before it spreads. InterceptX, stay ahead. Every move, every step is red. Lay it strong, nothing blind. Code and instinct intertwined. Stay alert, stay secure. No illusion, only the cure. Human mind, machine defense. That's the line of consequence. Built-in shield already there. Microsoft Defender aware. Watching patterns, blocking threats. First line holds without regrets. When deeper attacks begin to flex, our foes InterceptX intercepts behavior, learns intent inside, stops the breach before the bite. If something hides beyond detect, malware bites, corrects, cleans the shadow, stands the core, finds what others missed before. Layer 1, hold the line. Layer 2, protect design. Layer 3, restore control. Security is how you hold. No system wins alone. No code survives on its own. The strongest firewall is the mind that has grown. Think before you trust, pause before you act. Every click, every choice can defend or attract. Awareness is the trigger, protection is the shield. Together they decide what attacks are revealed. InterceptX, stay ahead. Every path, every thread. Human machine aligned. No breach left behind. Stay alert, stay alive. In a world where threats survive. Lay in defense, no regret. You don't fall, you intercept. You don't react, you preempt. Your world lives in your hands. Don't leave it unguarded. Tools can guide, but you decide. One click can break